So, good afternoon everyone. So today we're discussing about the types of environmental pollution in the Philippines. So at the end of the session, you'll be able to understand and identify the types of environmental pollution and also trace the sources and characterize each type of environmental pollution in the Philippines. So first, what is environmental pollution? So, environmental pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. These harmful materials are called pollutants. Pollutants can be natural, such as volcanic ash. They can also be created by human activity, such as trash or runoff produced by factories. Pollutants damage the quality of air, water, and also land. And now we are proceeding to identify the types of environmental pollution in the Philippines. So, water pollution. The water pollution reduces the quantity and quality of fresh water that is available for drinking and other necessities of human beings. Air pollution. So the air pollution, it has the two types, which is the natural air pollution and artificially created air pollution. So the natural air pollution is the natural impurities of air in the atmosphere, include soil particles, dust, and fallen green particles. Artificially created air pollution are main sources of air pollutants because of growth of population and industry, increased number of automobile. So these are the causes of air pollution, which is the industry and energy supply, dust, agricultural practices, transport, waste management, and also household energy. Land or soil pollution. Land or soil pollution occurs when the pollutants causing the pollution reduce the quality of the soil and convert the soil inhabitable for microorganisms and microorganisms living in the soil. Soil contamination or soil pollution can occur either because of human activities because of natural processes. However, mostly it is due to human activities. One of the most visible forms of pollution is solid waste or refuse. Noise pollution. Noise pollution or unwanted sound. Unwanted sound can be caused by any kind of sound, tones or harmonic sound. Like other pollutants, noise is often concentrated where population is concentrated. Noise does not alter the environment physically or chemically like water and air pollution. Most noise sources are measured in terms of intensity or decibels. Major sources of noise pollution are household, transportation, industrial or factories, and also military warfare equipment. So, personal pollution, this results when excessive and unregulated amount of food, additives, medicines, drugs, alcohols, and cosmetics are introduced in the body. So, example of personal pollution is your cosmetics and also industrial product. So, radiation pollution or radioactive pollution. So this results when there is an overexposure to cosmic rays, ultraviolet rays, infrared rays, and rays from radioactive materials. The harmful effect of radiation pollution are cancers, anemia, bombs, and also vomiting. So these are types of pollution based on causes. So air pollution. Air pollution occurs in the air due to the entry of contaminants that exceed normal limits. So water pollution. Water pollution is the mixing of contaminants and water through river, beaches, lakes, and groundwater, which result in decreased water quality. So soil pollution is the mixing of pollutants substances with the soil. And also noise pollution. Major source of noise pollutions are household, transportation, industrial factories, and military warfare equipment. Personal pollution, this results when excessive, unregulated amount of food, additives, medicines, drug, alcohols, and cosmetics, and also the radiation pollution. So now we are done to discuss the types of environmental pollution. So now we are proceed to source of pollution, which is the point source pollution and also the non-point source pollution. So point source pollution, it is where pollution comes directly from one specific location. So example is the sewage pipes empty the polluted water into the river and farmland. The non-point source pollution, it is the pollution that comes from large areas, example gasoline and other dirt from highways and other areas into the wells that supply drinking water and into lakes and rivers. Types of pollution based on causes. Number one is the light pollution. Light pollution is a condition where there is excessive disturbing lights. And also the noise pollution, as what I've said earlier, noise pollution is a condition where there is disturbing sound, noise, or unwanted sound. So these are the effects of pollution on human and nature. So air pollution can also cause long-term damage to people's nerves, brain, kidneys, liver, and other organs. Some scientists suspect air pollutant cause birth defect. And for water pollution, causes diarrhea, skin disease, malnutrition, cancer, and other diseases related to water pollution. So the impact of soil pollution can affect soil fertility. This jeopardizes food security, which is essential for human survival. It also poses risk to human health. So, how we prevent pollution? We can prevent pollution by reducing waste, saving energy, using eco-friendly transport, planting trees, and properly disposing of trash.